Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports, one of them was a Muslim and one was a Jew. The Muslim said by him who exalted Hazrat Muhammad S.A.W. from all other people of the world. The Jew said by him who exalted Hazrat Moosa from all other people at this. The Muslim raised his hand and slapped the Jew on his face. So the Jew went to the Prophet ﷺ and narrated what happened between him and the Muslim. So the Prophet ﷺ summoned the Muslim and inquired him of it. He also narrated the event. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Do not prefer me to Hazrat Moosa, for when the people will faint on the day of resurrection, I will also faint along with them. First of all, I will recover from it, whereas Hazrat Moosa will be there holding the leg of the throne. I do not know by conjecture whether he recovered first amongst the people who fainted or he was among those whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has exempted." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2411.